This is my first blog. I will show you my village and how we live in our village and the true beauty of our village. Let's go. As you've been just watching, I'm just passing through my village road and you can see the sunrise and the beautiful scenic nature of village and how we live in village and what are the most amazing thing in village. Just go on and just watch till the end and know how I'm living my life in village. I started my journey with the blessing of God. You can see the sunrise. Good morning, everyone. And the true natural beauty of our village, the field that you can see, the green. This is a canal which flows toward other village and it provides the amount of water for agriculture. Let's just go for a morning jogging and cycling. As you can see, this is my village and this is not about today. It's about more than 8 years. I've been just doing this every day. I try to wake up before the sunrise. I do not try to wake up before the sunrise. Every day I wake up before 5 o'clock. I wake up and then I start studying and start doing something what I just love to do, and then I go for a walk and I used to run a little bit. You can just see I have just crossed 1 mile and here I used to shoot all my videos. I will show you that how I spend my whole day and how I am living my life in a village with my student and with the hope and motivation. Stay tuned with me till the end and I will show you how I live my life in the village. This is my first blog. I hope you all like it and just know how a boy from a poor middle class family just striving for success in the village, just working hard enough to beat the challenges. What happens? People think villagers are poor, they are ignorant, they know nothing about the world. This is absolutely wrong. Everything that comes to the world that comes from village. Village peoples are industrious, hardworking. They have the ability to do anything. After all odds and obstacles, still we say proudly that we are living in the village with a happy and peaceful life. As you can see, people are just doing their morning walk and plucking some flowers. And this is the way we always used to walk, and the person is coming, he's the most amazing person in our village. Some people are fishing and just drying the little pond in the morning. The little birds are sitting on the wire. Just moving toward the main road. This is our village temples. This is the temple of Ma Bodhijagodai. Now you can see the priest has already come in the morning We have Hanuman temple, we have Lord Shiva's temple, and also a Jagannath temple in our village. Sometimes we feel the real peace and power in our village. Now I have started the journey toward the place where I have started my journey of making videos. Let's move toward the place. I will show you that how this place has made me here today in front of you to just represent my small beautiful village. Here I used to come every single day for walk, and it's not today, it's not now, it's more than 8 years. I've been just doing the same thing. This is the path where I have started my motivational speaking journey. As you can see, this road leads to another nearest village that is called Joindra, and my village is Patpur. And every day I used to come here and start walking. While walking, I just used to shoot some motivational videos, and here I have started the journey of motivating people, and I just get to know the truest, greatest self of myself. This path has taught me a lot of lesson. This is the tree, one of the branches has been cut. This is like a catapult. I used to keep my mobile device here. As I have less amount of resources, I never ever complained in my life. I've always tried to work with the obstacle, work with the odds to find the opportunity, because I have never ever blamed God or anyone else for my failure, for my situation, for my circumstance, because God has given a great thing, that is life. When I just find out the true value of my life, from that day and still now, I am just living a great happy life, and throughout the journey I am just inspiring numbers of students, and they're also doing good in their life. And through this blog I just want to give you one message: you have the immense amount of ability to do anything in the world, but you just have to find it out and make it happen. There is nothing in the world you cannot do. You can do everything in your life, just you have to believe in yourself. Sometimes it's a good day, sometimes it may be a bad day, but you just have to move forward in life. Life teaches us a lot of lesson, and we just have to adopt and accommodate ourselves throughout the journey. And this is my one of the most favorite place. Here I have also started making videos. I have started my journey. There is no one behind me, there is nothing, only the single idea of me to speak and to learn something. When I have started the journey, I just felt little bit difficulties, but I didn't stop there. I keep moving on and on. As you can see, the whole scenario, the whole beauty is not about the speaking. It's about the purpose, the objective that I've been just making for you. And this is the most favorite place that we all have with ourselves. Whenever I feel alone, I used to come here and I used to just sit under the single tree that just protects from the sun. And here also the beautiful pond is here. You can sit here and meditate. I used to sit and study here under the tree. You can get most productive hour in this place. I think there is no such place like my village that you can have ever in any kind of other place. You can motivate yourself, you can self-talk with yourself. Every day you can just go through yourself to ask yourself what you really want to do in your life. It's just amazing to being in my village. Okay, now we have to just move because the students are waiting for the tuitions. And look at the flowers. Just see the flowers. And these are not just planted by someone in a water channel. The true beauty is here. Nowhere else you can find this kind of flowers. People are purchasing flowers from nursery, but there are a lot of beautiful things in our village. Again I come back to the same place where I started my journey. As you can see, I'm just entering toward my village. There is no place where we will go. I just managed to come between the way. Jai Shri Ram. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Ram. Bas.
My name is Swapna Jana. My father name is Divakar Jana. My mother name is Shraddha Jana. I am from Katpur. I am in 7th class. I like to play cricket. I want to join army. This is all about me. Thank you, sir.
Loud voice, starting, beginning.
I am from Kanpur. I am in 7th class. I like to dance. I want to play police officer. All about me.
समस्त रे ताली मारो. Yourself.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. My name is Srijan. My father's name is Divakar Jana. My mother's name is Shraddha Jana. I am from Kanpur. I am in 5th class. I like to dance. I want to be police officer. This is all about me. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. माने धीरे कहबो, लाउड वॉइस रे कहबो. ओके.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. My name is Shubha Jana. My mother's name is Amna Jana. I am from Kanpur. I am in 7th class. I like to play cricket. I want to join army. This is all about me. Thank you, sir.
Very good.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Purva Jana. My father's name is Divakar Jana. My mother's name is Shraddha Jana.
I mean class 3. Class 3. हाँ कौन हवा चाहूँ जो? Okay. को I want to be a police officer. This is all about me. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Jai Shri Ram. Jai Shri Ram. Having lunch, I'm just moving toward our Bhagat Singh Defense Training Academy, which we have started in our village. As you have seen that students are studying over there. It's like an open library for everyone. From 10 a.m. to till 6 p.m. students are preparing for their exam. बस 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 बस। जय श्री राम।
श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम। श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम। श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम। श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुर सुधारि। वरणो रघुबर विमल जसु जोदायकु
फलचारि। बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार। बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेस विकार सुख होई।
जय हरे हनुमान चालीसा होय सिद्धि साखी सलीसा। तुलसीदास सदा हरिकेरा श्रीजनाथ जय पवन तनय संकटहरण मंगल मूर्ति रूपम्। राम लक्ष्मण सीता सहितं
राम लखन सीता सहित हृदय बसहु सुरभूप।
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनो सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखं भवेत्। त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव बन्धु च सखा त्वमेव। त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव। श्री सच्चिदानंद भगवान की जय। भारत माता की जय। गो माता की जय। गंगा माता की जय। सीता माता की जय। राम जन्मभूमि की जय। श्री कृष्ण जन्मभूमि की जय। काशी विश्वनाथ की जय। जगन्नाथ स्वामी की जय। पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। बोल भाई सब संतन की जय। बोल भाई सब भक्तन की जय। हर हर महादेव।
ताले हाथ को इंग्रजी कौन कहा जाए? हैंड। अच्छा गोड़ को अच्छा सर्वा शीघ्र शीघ्र। हाँ देखो पिला आसिनी बोली क्लास उठ बस होची। हाँ ठीक अच्छे हाँ ठीक अच्छे। ताले एबे को मुंड को कौन कहा जाए? हेड। हेड को हेड कौन कहूँ? हेड नुहे सेटा हेड हैला। अच्छा ठीक अच्छे। अंगुली को कौन कहा जाए? फिंगर। अच्छा बुढ़ा आंगुठी को थंब कौन कहा जाए? थंब। अच्छा माने प्ले माने डू माने करिबा हैला। स्लीप माने सोइबा। अच्छा ठीक अछि। हौ रन माने ड्रिंक माने पीबा। माने देखिबा। सी माने देखिबा। मु खाए मु पढ़े मु लेखे मु खाऊची मु पढ़ुची। अच्छा आई एम रीडिंग रीडिंग नुहे हैला। मु लेखुची से माने लेखुचन।